Hello guys, this is Jack from Fox Tech. Maybe a long time no see. Have you ever tried to use your drone to clean your roof or clean your wall? Have you been meeting some kind of trouble with it? Well, I've tried to design this kind of tethered water spray system for drones for quite a long time, since 2014 maybe. At that time we designed a system, but it's not efficient, it's not good. It can be used for any drones, meaning it doesn't suitable to specific drones. Well, now maybe you all have the Matrix 300 or 350 from DJI, everyone can buy it from DJI distributor. Then we release kind of a system for cleaning, water spraying to your wall, and you can clean your wall, clean your roof in a very efficient way. And this is AeroClean P3, also known as the T50, meaning tethered 50 meters. Well, this system is very, very unique. Let me show you what components does it have in this kind of system. Well, as you can see, this is just a normal DJI M300, and you can also use this kind of system to the M350. Well, you can see this is a propeller protector also coming with this system. The system, you can see it has a long carbon fiber tube. It has a cabin made of plastic. It has a small pump inside. It has a camera and also LiDAR. You can tell how close to the wall, because you are going to use it to clean the walls, right? Well, this kind of tube here also retractable, making it so easy to carry around. And you can just use this as a slide. You can just slide in, and you can ready to use. We are making it compatible with the DJI standard socket, so using a PSDK system, so you can directly see the view and everything you can control. Okay, let me press the PSDK button. You can see. Quite amazing, right? We have actually mounted a small air-pressed pump, or say like a air-pressed gimbal inside for upward and downward movement. Well, if you want to use it to clean something high, you can adjust the angle to 20 degrees upward, just like this. And okay, if you want to clean the roof, you can then press the button downward. And also it has the built-in camera, so you can directly see here. It's a very, very good sight from here, so you can see where your water goes. Okay. Well, because it's using the so-called flexible arm system, so if you use it to spray water, there's a recoil, right? So this kind of system is flexible. It can counteract the recoil, making the whole flight very stable, so you don't worry about that. Well, if you want to use that system, just simply connect it to your pump, coming also with this kind of system to the water tube, then come to the pump, and you link your electricity, then you are ready to use. It can spray water up to 4 meters away. And also you can change the nozzles for different kind of spraying angle. If the angle gets bigger, you can get a shorter distance. The nozzle gets smaller, you get a longer distance. But just simply connect the tube, and then it's ready to use. Well, for different nozzles, you can spray foam, spray the cleaning liquid, and you can also just simply spray water. So just depending on what kind of water supply you are using to coming from the ground. Well, by using the system and also its water tubes, the highest altitude you can use is 50 meters. That means like 10 floors. And also if you use the safety rope to link the kind of water tube, drag it away, and you can achieve 100 meter altitude. That is like 20 floor, very, very high altitude. By using the AeroClean P3, also the T50, you can clean up to 600 square meter per hour the wall area, and it's coming from the pump up to 12 megapascals. And if you use a higher pressure pump like 60 megapascals, you can achieve up to like a 800 square meter area per hour. This is a very high working efficiency. Well, we have tried to use it to clean the walls of our building, and well, everything looks so clean, everything looks so new. Well, I hope you like this kind of system. This is the AeroClean P3, and if you want to spray like some kind of a protection coating, and you want a higher kind of efficiency, higher kind of functionality, you can also use the A630, and we also have A5 coming from later, because it can also has a moving gimbal in the front, so you can swipe like just like this, and everything you use it on cleaning projects, everything becomes so easy. Well, this is the P3 and also A30 and the A5 coming. Okay, so this is a simply introduction about our new AeroClean system designed for DJI M300 and also M350. And this is coming from the socket with the PSDK, so you can control directly on your DJI controllers, and you can use it to clean your walls, to clean your roof in a very, very efficient way. Okay, I hope you like this kind of system. If you want to buy it, you can go to our website. One is store.foxsite.com, and the other one, our old site, is foxsiteipv.com. Well, if you like our products and also videos we make, then don't forget to subscribe our social medias like YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and give us a big like. Okay, Jack from Foxsite. See you in next video. Hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.